believe moms can steal the spotlight too? Because today we're talking about a color that turns heads. Bright fuchsia. It's not just bold, it's beautiful. And perfect for mothers of the bride who want to look stunning. This is your moment too. Stay with us till the end for stylish ideas. And yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to My Day My Choice for more fabulous fashion ideas. Bright fuchsia is a powerful mix of pink and purple. It's cheerful, elegant, and full of life, just like you on your daughter's big day. This color doesn't just look amazing, it also shows happiness, energy, and love. It's perfect for photos and great for making you stand out in the best way. If you want something fun and classy, this color is a smart and lovely choice. There are so many dress styles in bright fuchsia. You can go for long flowing gowns, classy midi dresses, or cute knee-length options. Some dresses have lace details, others have sparkle or shine. Whether you like sleeves, off-shoulder, or sleeveless, there's something for you. It's all about what makes you feel beautiful and confident. Always remember, comfort is just as important as style. You'll be moving around a lot, greeting guests, maybe even dancing. So choose a dress that feels good and lets you move freely. Look for soft fabrics, stretchy parts, and a design that suits your shape. When your dress feels right, your smile will shine even brighter. Accessories can take your fuchsia dress to the next level. Try silver or nude shoes, pearl or diamond-style jewelry, and a simple clutch bag. Don't overdo it though, the dress is already a star. You can also add a light shawl or scarf for some extra style or warmth. Matching your accessories wisely makes your full look more polished. The season of the wedding can help you choose the right fabric and style. For summer, go with light and breezy chiffon. In winter, thicker fabric like velvet feels cozy and rich. Spring looks lovely with floral patterns, while fall loves deeper shades. Think about the weather so you feel comfy all day long. The most important thing to wear is confidence. When you feel good, you look even better. Your bright fuchsia dress will glow even more with your big smile and proud heart. You are the bride's mom, and that's something special. So enjoy every moment, feel amazing, and don't be shy to shine a little. We hope these ideas helped you feel excited about choosing your perfect bright fuchsia dress. If you'd like to see some lovely options, check out the Amazon affiliated links in the description below. If you buy through them, I'll earn a small commission, but you won't pay anything extra. Thanks for watching My Day, My Choice. See you in the next video.